how to replace a headlight bulb in Honda Fit. First you want to pop the hood. Okay, it's right over here. I'm doing the driver's side. It's right in here. So first you want to pull out the connector. It's right there. Okay, here's the rubber cap. Put that aside. And there's a bracket. Aha, here it is. You push down on this little part right here, and then it pops open. Okay, from there, now you can pull this light bulb out, and there's three. 1, 2, 3. So this one goes to the top. Do not touch. You don't want to touch it. Well, this one's bad. You can touch that, but all right, I'm going to put on 2 gloves because you don't want any dirt on the new bulb. I have these biodegradable disposable gloves. The new bulbs I got at AutoZone for $30. The type I have is 9003. Okay, be careful with the glass part. Okay, so here's the 3 nubs. I'm going to put this at the top, slide it right in. Oops, I had it backwards. Okay, then you put this back in. Okay, then this goes back in. It's very easy. And this connects. Push that in like a plug, kind of like an outlet. Okay, voila. All right, let me turn this on. Let's see if it tests it. Okay, that was it. Very easy. That's how you replace a headlight bulb.